Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Park the 2000 Honda Civic on level ground, set the emergency brake, chock the rear wheels, and disconnect the negative battery terminal before starting work. Loosen the front wheel lugs with a cross wrench while the car is on the ground. You will tighten them to 80 ft-lb later. Raise the front with a hydraulic jack and support each side on rated jack stands placed under the pinch welds. Gather tools: 17 mm and 19 mm sockets, breaker bar, ball joint separator, hammer, penetrating oil, pry bar, and a torque wrench for final bolts. After removing the wheel, unbolt the brake caliper using a 14 mm socket and hang it aside with wire so the rotor and hub remain accessible. Do not let the caliper hang by the hose. Remove the cotter pin and loosen the 19 mm ball joint nut, then use a ball joint separator to free the taper from the steering knuckle. Support the knuckle to avoid stressing the CV axle. Remove the two 17 mm bolts that attach the upper control arm to the subframe, then extract the arm. Label hardware, inspect bushings and ball joint surfaces, and clean mounting faces with a wire. Fit the replacement upper control arm into position, aligning the bushings, and start the two frame bolts by hand to avoid cross-threading. Snug them, but do not fully torque until the vehicle is at ride height. Reconnect the ball joint into the knuckle, tighten the nut, and secure with a new cotter pin. Reinstall the brake caliper and wheel, lower the car, then torque the control arm frame bolts and ball joint to the manufacturer's specifications using a torque wrench. Torque wheel lugs to 80 ft-lb. Finally, drive to a professional shop for a wheel alignment to restore cam.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.